Hey, what's up? This is my bike check 2016. I'm going to start from the front to the back. So I'm going to start by the grips. I have ODI grips, super softies. And the bars, got We The People Patron bars, 9-inch. And I've got a proper V2 stem. A Vocal top cap and fit FAF tyres in the front. And the back, of course, and Alienation rim. Man, no, I'm gonna I can't even remember the help guide. It is a Mutant Bikes front hub guard. And I have a snafu peg, and it's actually double walled. It's really nice. And the forks, I have Stolen forks. The brand is not actually stolen. And the frame, I have a Stolen Cheetah frame. I had this frame custom coloured, I got it glitter coat black. It used to be a red, same colour as this rail. It looks really nice. You can see that right there. The thing is like fucking dents and shit in it. Like see that? It's really nice and light. Got a few dents in it though, but yeah, that's the way you learn. You fall off and learn new things. And okay, the cranks, I have Stolen cranks. Really nice. And I have Colony pedals. They're really grippy, and they're actually the best pedals I've ever ridden, to be honest. And here we have a Vocal Ecliptic sprocket. Really good. I broke the tooth on my old Profile racing sprocket, so that's why I changed it. And so we have a Salt BMX seat. I will change that soon because it doesn't look that good and it's really hard. And I'm gonna try and get a blue seat post to match the bars. Okay, so back we have a Alienation rim, laced to a counterfeit hub. But yeah, I forgot to mention the front hub as well. That's also a counterfeit hub. They're really good. I'll probably give you a hub sound later on. And oh yeah, in the back as well, I have titanium spokes. I will get that from the other side of the back wheel and also the front. I rebuilt the front wheel like maybe 3 times now. A lot. Keep breaking spokes and all sorts. Yeah, in the front I have I think it's called a Masher half-link chain. It's actually really solid. It's heavy duty. But my chain's obviously loose. I was riding to the skate park and I just popped out of place, so that's a bit annoying. So, oh yeah, and in the back I have a Fit FAF tyre as well. Amazing. But yeah, I'm going to give you some clips now and hope you like it. Oh shit. That was really scary. Fuck, I'm gonna tap that in with a rock or something. Holy shit, first try. First fucking try. Ah, yes, I got it. No! Fucking broke my... Fuck's sake. Are you shitting me already? So I can focus that. I broke my hub guard already. What the actual fuck? What a piece of shit. So much of a fucking bike check. See if I can get that fucking book. Right. It is really fucked up. It's pissing me off. Focus is... That snapped right off of there. That's how it should look. And it just fucking breaks. And this is why I always get pissed off. Shit breaks when I need it. My chain's all loose as fuck now. Wanker. Oh, landed that shit. What? Right, the 3 on this one wasn't as clean, so I'm going to try it again. The battery's getting flat now, so I hope you like the bike check. I'm going to do a feeble toothpick.